Good afternoon everyone. So this one is your Rudrendu sir class maybe. So this is my provisional class. I just ask some question related to your practical. If there will be any oral is happen, then I will ask this type of question. Okay. Okay. I will take your present attendance everyone. First give your attendance everyone. 9. First one that is there is Anisha Dutta. Okay. I can see. Anisha Dutta is present. Prutoy. Present. Brahma. Raj. Ritika. Ridhika. Spriha. Shubham Kumar. Suhit. Swastika. Trisha. Vivek. Pooja. Okay, thank you everyone. So try to answer my question everyone. Epidermal cells of the onion peel obtained from which side? Yes, could you please tell ma'am last day what you did? I just asked some question related to the practical because we have completed the textbook and practicals also. If there may be some oral portion may be present practical or not, because if it is occurs in our school, I don't know till now what will be happen, or if either online oral may be happen. So that's why I just prepared you for some question answer. If there is any oral part will be added in your practical, then I will ask this type of question. Okay, I was absent in. Okay, no problem, you can see my uploaded video. Epidermal cells of onion peel is obtained from which side, outer side or inner side, anyone? Epidermal cells of onion peel is extracted from? No, inner side. Everyone, what do we have to mention in the index part? Index part, there will be some, that is printed paper. You know, you can see what is present in there. You just fill. Maybe there will be serial number 1 2 3 4, there may be experiment number, experiment 3 4 5, just like that. The subject or topic, name of the experiment, give the name of the experiment, next page number, next date, fill all these blank part, and there may be a signature part that is left for me. Okay. What date means? On which date we completed the practical, that is the date of your practical. Just see my uploaded video and write down the date from that practical. Okay. Which stain you used to stain onion peel? Anyone? Which stain you used to stain onion peel? Which stain is used for staining onion peel? Which stain is used for staining the onion peel? Yes, right, Sweet, saffron. Okay, thank you everyone. Which of the two onion peel cells will have cheek cells? Okay, name, just tell me what is present in onion peel, what is present in the cheek cell. Okay, vacuole, next nucleus, next cell wall, cell membrane, cell membrane, chloroplast. What is present in cheek cell, what is present in onion peel? These organelles or these things, what is present in onion peel, what is present in, there may be all these things may be present in the both. You just mention what is present in onion peel, what is present in the cheek cell. Vacuole present in onion peel or cheek cell? In both. Rima, large vacuole present in plant cell, obviously both, yes. Nucleus, both, or anything, any one, onion peel or cheek cell? Yes, vacuole, nucleus, cell membrane, cell wall, chloroplast in onion peel, cell membrane and small vacuoles in cheek cell. Right, Sweet, thank you. Chloroplast, none, because that is not green. Onion peel, chloroplast in none. Okay, Sweet, chloroplast is not present in the both because onion peel is not green. Okay, thank you. Make for the second experiment, do I have to again start with the making page number 1? No, just 1 2 3 4, just rhythmically it go according to the numbering. Never 1 2 3, no, that is 1 2 3 for the first experiment, 6, 7, 8 for the second experiment. That's like that manner. Follow the numbering. Name the stain used for to study the chick cell. Next, name the stain which is used to study the chick cell. Yes, methylene blue. Next, what is the function of mitochondria in the cell? What is the function of mitochondria in the cell? Yes, produce ATP and gives energy to the cell. Right. How many types of cells are there? How many types of cells are there? Types of the cell. Name the types of the cells. How many types of the cell you can see in your life? Types of the cell. Yes, eukaryotic and prokaryotic cells. What is prokaryotic cells? What is prokaryotic cells? Protai 2. What 2? Tell me the name of these 2. All time. Protai, have you completed your laboratory notebook? Start to write. Now you just start to finish your laboratory notebook. Yes, eukaryotic and prokaryotic. Okay, thank you, Protai. Cells which have donor nuclear membrane only have genetic materials. Yes, don't have any type of design nucleus and nucleus membrane. Thank you, everyone. So, this is up to for the today. Next day we will again revise this practical chapter question. Okay? Thank you. Bye, everyone.